So welcome back everyone. Now Windows 11 is an excellent operating system according to me and according to many other people. But it also comes with a lot of annoying features. Whether you are frustrated by the prompt asking you to finish setting up your PC, or you don't like the widget popping up where you can accidentally click and it give you a whole lot of a screen. So in this video guys, I will be sharing 6 annoying features of Windows 11 that you should disable right now. So number 1, disable the let's finish setting up your PC prompt. This is the most annoying thing on Windows 11 that pop up every now and then. There is no button to disable this prompt on the prompt itself. You can only click remind me later and it does not exactly that remind you to set up your PC after a while. Luckily there is an option in settings to get rid of this widget, and to access it you need to bring up the settings. So right click on the Windows icon, click on settings, and in the system you have to scroll down a bit and click on notifications, and then scroll down to the bottom and click on additional settings, and here you need to disable both these two options. It will even stop suggesting many kind of tips and suggestions. So very first option that you have to disable will be this one. Alright, so now next we have to also disable the annoying lock screen ad. The Windows 11 lock screen display ad, and if you get distracted by these ads and would prefer a cleaner lock screen, then better turn them off. So again, make a right click on the Windows icon, choose settings. In this setting, from the left hand menu option you will have to click on personalization, and in the personalization you have to scroll down a bit and click on lock screen, and here in the lock screen status on the right of it you will find different option, and if you click on the drop down it asks you that what exactly you want to show. You want to show weather and more, mail, dev home or calendar. Now here you won't find any option to disable or enable. So what you can do, either you can choose the calendar here or the dev home, whichever you like the most. And even below it give you an option here, show the lock screen background picture on the sign in screen. Alright, so you can make some changes here to have a better lock screen on your Windows 11. Alright, so now next we also need to disable the taskbar widget. And Windows 11 even comes with the annoying scrolling widget icon to the bottom left hand corner, and it shows basically the weather information, some kind of news and the currency. This doesn't look good at all, and even if you accidentally click on it, it brings up the detailed information here. Now if you really don't use it and you don't like it and want to make your taskbar neat and clean, then right click on the taskbar. From the suggestion click on taskbar settings, and here you have to simply disable the widget option if you want to disable all kind of widget. If you only want to disable few of them, again you can click here, then right click on the widget that you want to hide and just click hide this widget. But if you want to completely disable this, then you will have to go ahead and toggle it off. And once you toggle it off, you will find the neat and clean taskbar and the widget has been disappeared. And now number 4, we have to get rid of the search highlight as well on Windows 11. So when you click on your Windows search, it displays annoying search highlight on the right hand panel, including tips and tricks for cooking, tech, depending that what you mostly search on your browser. Again, I believe you might not like this and want to turn this off. And for this, you have to make a right click on the Windows icon. Then you have to click on settings. From the left hand menu option, you will have to click on privacy and security. Then under the Windows permission, you have to click on search permission. Then scroll down to the bottom. And under the more setting, you have to disable this option of show search highlight. And it also says here, see content suggestion in the search box and in the search home. So go ahead and disable this option. And now the next time when you click on your Windows search, you will find a neat and clean start menu along with the pinned section and the recommended section. And now next I would also recommend you to turn off the web searches in the Windows search. So while searching on Windows 11 search, it also shows you the result from the internet. And if you don't want to mix the local search with the web search, then better disable this option. Now on my side, you can see on the right hand side, whenever I make a search in the Windows search, it shows me all the suggestion on the right hand side from the web. I really don't like it because once I am searching on the Windows local search, I only want that it should search from my local drive only. And in order to disable this option, you have to use the registry editor. So click on your Windows search, type registry, click on registry editor. Click on yes. Now here from the left hand menu option, you will have to click on GEEK current user. Double click on it. Then you have to look for software. Double click on it. And in the software, you have to look for policies. Make a double click on it again. Then look for Microsoft here. Double click on it. Then you will find Windows. Right click on the Windows here. Hover up to new. Click on key. And you have to name it as Explorer, where E will be in the capital. Once you have renamed and created this folder, select it. On the right hand side, right click, hover up to new, choose .32-bit value. And this you have to rename as disable with the D capital, search with S capital, box with B capital, suggestions with S capital. Once you have created this entry, make a double click on it and change its value data from 0 to 1. Click on OK and that's it. Now you can go ahead and close it. Now in order to apply the changes, you will have to go ahead and restart the computer. But let me check by restarting the File Explorer whether it works or not. Okay, so I have restarted the File Explorer, and this time if I click on my Windows search and search anything, so boom, now you can see if it's not able to find anything on my local drive, it won't be giving any kind of suggestion on the right hand side. So that's far better for me, and I am not getting now those annoying suggestions from the web here. Okay, now let's move with the last suggestion here guys, where I would recommend you to disable all the startup application. Now whenever you install any kind of application or software on your Windows 11, many of them go in the Windows startup that automatically start these applications whenever you turn on your device. And that basically slow down the Windows loading time, and even they slow down the performance as they run in the background. Even it feels annoying when multiple applications load as soon as your computer turned on. So in order to disable them, again you have to right click on the taskbar, click on Task Manager. In the Task Manager, from the left hand menu option, you will have to click on Startup Apps. Then it will list you all kind of third-party application that you have installed on your device. Now this is my new machine. I don't have any application or software being installed, but still, for example here, like Microsoft Edge, I don't want that it should come along with my Windows 11. Whenever I need it, I can manually open it. So what I can do, I can right click on it and choose it to disable. Now what will happen? The next time when I start my computer, the Microsoft Edge will not be automatically loading up along with my Windows 11. And whenever I need it, I can click on its icon and bring it up. Same you have to do with the OneDrive or any other kind of third-party application like Steam, Discord, Skype, or any application that you can bring up manually. So now you have finally disabled the 6 annoying features of Windows 11, and probably after this you will be enjoying Windows 11 much more better. And if you like this video guys, make sure that you hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.